A properly defined problem is a problem solved. Systems thinking. What the masses don't comprehend at this time is that it's impossible to solve the problems we're facing in the United States and throughout the world from the same mindset that created them. We simply cannot solve problems from the lens of polarity because polarity consciousness mind control programs created them, among other factors. It's critical that we adopt a systems approach mindset by teaching ourselves how to rise above our polarized thought processes and the default programming that controls our human perceptions. Problem solving from a systems approach is simple, yet hard to master. Again, this is due to the fact that our minds are coded for duality and polarity consciousness mind control scripts. Systems thinking is a holistic approach to problem solving that views our problems from a wider dynamic system. It helps us make sense of the complexities in the world by looking at them in terms of wholes and relationships rather than by splitting them down into parts. Our objective is to understand the system's dynamics through analysis by understanding the system's hierarchy and developing universal solutions. In order for systems thinking to work, it cannot be used to further our own personal agendas. Rather, it's a method that is only effective when we view our problems in a new way, not to advocate for a predetermined bias solution. Strong advocacy for bias intentions creates resistance to new ideas and to systems thinking. We must develop our minds and unify our consciousness by focusing our intention on the highest intention for the greater good, not what's best for individuals or specific groups. When working through complex problems, it's important to begin with an intentional problem-solving statement such as, I now give myself permission to push past all blocks and barriers keeping me from obtaining the highest truths and expanding into my highest potential to assist the collective. Then ask questions such as, what is it about this problem that I do not understand? How can I see this problem differently? What is it that I care most deeply about, and what am I afraid of losing? Step 1. Define problems through understanding the context, background, and symptoms of all issues. State problems as clearly as possible and be sure to separate facts from opinions. Step 2. Analyze and specify underlying causes by collecting as much data as possible into the problems and their causes. Always be sure to define the stakeholders and follow the money. Step 3. Develop a criteria for optimal solutions by considering each faction involved to gain insight. Step 4. Identify standards and expectations to determine where the problems fall short. Step 5. Evaluate proposed solutions and do not allow yourself to solve problems without all the data. Step 6. Create strategies to implement solutions. Step 7. Evaluate the outcome.